Deneitra Manning?
Case manager.
Are we going to see that? He wants to hold on. All right. Well, I'm sorry about the download the discovery thing. I saw. Deneitra Manning? There you go. It's on a thumb drive. And then for purposes of today, I was trying to, thank you for sending me those emails, by the way. Very informative. I was trying to follow along. I had a hard time. For purpose of today, do you want me to find out what the hospital is, and do you want to submit on that, or do you want to have a hearing so you don't go to the hospital?
I wanted to do what Malia Sherman said. She said that I needed the hospital. That was her exact words. So let's go with what she's saying.
Okay. So let's go tell the judge that. Mom, what's in?
Yes.
Okay, you want to get in the courtroom, or
What?
do you want her in the courtroom with us?
Why wouldn't she do?
Oh, because I don't see her.
She's already in here.
Oh, she is. Oh, let's you. Is in terms of placement, the judge believes it would be a Tascadero because that's where the majority goes. However, it's not certain it would be a Tascadero. So the process is you would be remanded, and then the state system would determine where there's availability between the state hospitals. In our area, the majority goes to Tascadero. That's how they would do it. But this judge can't determine that. And so that's kind of what my hang-up was also, and that's why I wanted to talk to the judge about that. He also feels, because he's been doing this for a while, that it wouldn't take that long, because you're relatively fine. There's maybe a few things that they would do in terms of, and this is between you and them, of correcting medication, that kind of thing. And then getting you back here so we can fight that, police assault case, which I think is bullshit, by the way, when you have the discovery. So that's what he's telling me at this point. So I've got to go upstairs, take care of a case. They're yelling at me to go up there. I'll come back down. I know maybe we can take care of it today. This is Fresno. Fresno sucks. All these people in the hall, they're all waiting.
Yeah, but that'll never take all day, other times. So we need to get something going because my mom is sick. She ain't in the best health. She's supposed to be in the hospital. So we need to, she can't be waiting.
We can do the remand today, if that's an option. You would be remanded in today, transport order, and then sent out to the state hospital.
And how long do the transports take?
I don't know. And the judge doesn't know. He would ask to be as fast as possible.
Oh, hey.
And I can ask on the record.
No, you're not. No, yeah, we. And then how is it that we have trial? You guys gave me less than 30 days to prepare. I haven't even.
This isn't trial. No, we don't have.
I'm talking about the trial for competency.
You are? Yeah.
And you said that I wouldn't even be able to speak on the stand. So what would be the purpose?
For competency, nobody speaks other than the doctor. Only the doctor speaks. That's it.
But you said that you're going to keep me from speaking on the stand. That means I have an option.
No, you don't have an option on the stand. Because you declared for your last attorney that this is what competency means. And this is not you, but I'm giving you the legal definition. I do not understand my surroundings, and I cannot help my attorney assist in the case.
So incompetency is like, I don't understand my surroundings, and I'm basically...
I can't help with the case.
I can't help everyday
So therefore, they
right?
wouldn't let you on the stand because there's a declaration that you're not understanding.
To silence me, right?
No.
That was to silence me.
So
my time waiver... I withdrew that in October. By the end of October, I was supposed to be going to trial. The day that I went to Judge Ari's courtroom in Department 53 was the day they did the competency thing. The very same week I would have been going to trial.
Everything. So
they did it to halt me, to silence me. So let's just go to trial.
Well, you can't until you go through competency. So we either have So we can't go to
No,
trial.
the competency trial that you
Okay.
had set for the 19th.
Okay, so we're gonna go in and confirm.
But how am I going to talk to you until then? So you're not going to talk to me till then. I'm just going to go in there and get railroaded, and then what? What is the competency trial to do?
It's pretty
Just
much.
to change the date on the paper.
It's the doctor who will come in, and the doctor says that I spoke with Miss Manning based on my interview with
Well, can
her.
I submit to you my recording of the actual video with her?
No, that's,
Well, I'm gonna
that's
just put
an
it-
invasion of her privacy.
Okay, well, I'll put it on the internet. That's what I'm going to do. Because she lied and said that she physically saw me. I recorded the whole visit, and it was a no thing on there.
I'm not trying. I don't want to argue with you. I'm not
arguing with you. I'm talking to my
No,
mom.
I'm
I'm saying
saying.
let's go do that. You said we'll do that on the 19th.
I'm going to confirm the 19th. Remember, you're the boss of the situation, but
I'm not
you
the
do
boss.
have
I'm not the
hurdles
boss.
to get through.
You're the boss because they said I'm incompetent so much that I can't make decisions. So you're.
I'm stuck with that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not an expert in comp, none of us are. I'm not a doctor. I'm an expert in evidence and criminal defense. Once we get through that and we fight this bullshit assault on officer case, that's where we're rocking and rolling. Then we fight it. And that's where
But you gave me the option. They have a date set for the 19th, so I
You
should
wanna
have a
confirm?
right to go to that.
we can
trial.
go to that. Yeah,
Okay.
we can do that. Okay. I got to go to 74 and I'll come right back, okay?
So a Tascadero is a high security maximum kind of place. So the man said a Tascadero, that's an all males facility, the same like when they put me in Fresno County on the 6th floor with all them men. You heard him say, the judge said he gonna put me in a Tascadero. That's an all males facility, period. Maximum security. So, do you want me to let you speak to him?
No, you don't sell sign. No way. I told you.
Yeah, I don't mind going today.
No.
Hold on, let me talk to him. Yeah, I don't mind. But I just want you to make sure that you... Okay. Okay. So just go today. But wouldn't it be better if she go on the stand and just say the same thing? So today. Okay. Okay. All right. $1,200 a week. I mean, bi-weekly or a month. Yeah, I signed the documents that you sent, and I sent them back over. Alrighty.